Meaning of Fred Trueman.
Fred Trueman.
Fred Trueman.
Fred Trueman.
Fred Trueman. Fred Trueman was a legendary English cricketer who played for Yorkshire and the England national team from the 1940s to the 1960s. He was known for his fiery personality, aggressive style of play, and his powerful fast bowling. Trueman took over 300 Test wickets and was the first bowler to take 300 wickets in English county cricket. He was a popular commentator after his retirement and was known for his unique catchphrase, "I just don't know what's going off out there." Trueman is widely regarded as one of the greatest fast bowlers in cricket history.